friends, today I'm going to show a quick makeup for a small get together with your friends. Actually today I have a movie with my friends and we have an ethnic traditional wear like a normal salwar. So I'm going to show like how to get ready with a very small touch up and so on. So let me get into quickly the product description I'm going to use. I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match foundation and this is in the shade Rose Vanilla. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Cup concealer. Now this is from the True Match. And then I'm going to use my contouring palette from L'Oreal. It is Infallible Contouring Palette. I'll give you the descriptions and things and the price. Yeah, and I'm going to use my old Lakme compact powder. Actually I love this powder. And this is in the shade Natural Shell. So we just touch the skin. My lipstick, I love red lipsticks and this is one of my favorite. This is from Maybelline and this is called the Dynamite Red and from the range the Loaded Bolts. Okay then, let's get started. I'm going to show you. Now before applying, I don't use the primer. I just use this L'Oreal Paris moisturizer. This is called Hydra Fresh. It's a very moisturizing moisturizer. My skin is quite dry, so I use this. Let's get started now. Actually, I use so much. It doesn't make very oily. It doesn't make your skin oily. You just dab it. Now this acts as a perfect base, so your foundation glides on really quick. Now I'm going to start with my foundation application. This is from, again, just telling you, it's L'Oreal Paris True Match in the shade Rose Vanilla. I have two things. One is the latex rubber, which is used for the applicator of the foundation. But even though, the brush is also fine with the foundation, so I'm just going to take a very small drop of this. Now before doing that, let me shake it well. You just do a very small drop. I'm gonna just tap on my face using my finger. Now I'm gonna use my rubber latex to blend them well, and then I'm going to give a final touch with my brush. So I'm going to just make the upward stroke. Okay, so the foundation bar is done. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on the spots. Now this concealer is from True Match. It's in the shade Neutral. just want to put it on my, you can see spots. Just want to dab it on them. it a very regular one because this is a small get together, so I'm just gonna make it very light. I'm going to use my fingers to blend them in. And just tap it. Okay, now this gives a very kind of mattifying look. And now I'm going to set this with powder, but before setting up with powder, I'm going to do this a little bit of contouring using this L'Oreal Paris contouring palette only to my nose ridge. I'm using this brush because it gives you a very sharp ridge. So this is how it looks. And you have this contouring powder and this is a highlighter. Just make just one stroke of a highlighter because I don't want much shiny kind of nose. Okay. Yeah, you also get a cute brush with this. It's not so good in application, so I use this. Okay, so now I'm going to set up with a powder, but before that let me do my quick eyebrows. I'm not going to apply any eyebrow powder. I'm just going to do this. Just going to quickly set this up with the powder compact, my Lakme compact with this brush. I do have this puff, but brush is kind of handy. I'm going to dust it all over my face and my neck. Much of the compact powder on my nose. Okay, so now I'm not going to do a heavy eye makeup because it's a small get together. I'm going to just apply this kajal from Maybelline. It's the super black Maybelline kajal. So I'm going to just apply only to my inner waterline. then I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow. This is Maybelline eyeshadow palette. This completely contains all the highlighters and so on. But I'm not going to do highlighting now, so I'm just going to stick to a very normal eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do I'm going to take this bronze one, and this is the eyeshadow I'm going to use. This gives you a nice shine to your eyelids. I'm going to do my lip makeup. I've already hydrated my skin using normal lip balm, so I'm going to just apply a little bit of my lip liner of same color. Now what I do is just to make, I know the lipstick is already matte, but I'm going to just make it a little more matte. Just going to apply a little bit of compact powder on it. And then I'm going to apply my Maybelline Dynamite Red lipstick. I'm going to complete this with a normal bindi. Then I'm going to wear my cute fridge makeup. I'm not going to do a hairstyling, I'm just going to leave my hair loose. I'm just going to take a random partition and then I like to take the partition in my hand, using my hand. I'm just going to give a little comb only to the down part of my hair. And then I'm going to put my dupatta. So this is how I look after makeup, and the complete small makeup tutorial for your small get-together parties. Now this makeup doesn't feel you look heavy or down. You can go actively proactively talking with your friends and also watch movies. Okay friends, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do like and do subscribe my channel. You can comment on the comment section like what are the what you want me to what you want to see, like reviews, more makeup tutorials and so on. And thank you so much. Keep watching and bye bye.